Eurosong 2025. I'm very excited.
I really want to go to Eurovision because I'm gorgeous.
Going into your first one, you don't really know what it's going to be like, and I think that Bambi has kind of set the bar so high for everybody.
The timing is good for me, and more so, it's very much so personal thing, where I'm at in my headspace, where I'm at in my life. I'm very, very driven and focused now, and I don't know that I would have had that focus a few years ago, to be honest.
I think Bambi opened the doors and allowed more diversity to come into the competition, and that's why I think I'm here today.
I just thought that her real story is really, really sad, so I wanted to create a scenario where she doesn't die but where she lives on, and is having her own part in the sky and eternal happiness instead of the real story.
I absolutely love Eurovision. We've both watched it since we were really young and little kids. Yeah, I would love to go and represent and try to do my country proud.
Well, fingers crossed we might be able to get another song that might go potentially all the way.
The music that I make celebrates the kind of traditional roots of Ireland and then that modern kind of electronic twist, and I think it represents the incredible sound that Ireland is making in terms of artists at the moment. So for a chance to represent that on an international platform is something that's very important to me, and I think I can do a stellar job of it.
I feel confident in the song, and I feel confident in the amount of work that we've put into it, and the performance, and so that's all I can do at this point.
If I got to represent Ireland, it would be incredible because I'm a very proud Irish person, and I'm proud of my art, and hopefully it will do the country justice.
I just really want to show off what I can do. I think there's a lot in me, and this is my life, just creating music and sharing it with others. So to have that on the European stage, unbelievable. 10 out of 10, 12 points.
An honor, definitely, for sure.